Hello, Mr. UnBreakIt here with a classic Mr. UnBreakIt fix. The kids decide if the door is locked, you just have to pull harder to get in. So that broke the front one there. Then I didn't get it fixed in time and I did it again and pulled the whole thing off. So the right way to fix it, of course, would be to pull the whole interior, the whole door off, get into the interior there, but I'm going to show you the Mr. UnBreakIt fix. I was just going to glue it back on there for now, but when I looked in there, it looks like I can get the rod into place and maybe actually make it function again. We'll see. We'll see. Here's the up here. I got a snake in here.
Yeah, buddy. Oh.
Look like you having fun.
Yeah. The opposite of breaking into a car.
Let me hold the light for you.
Oh, well, I'm just...
Can't get it.
No, see what happened is, pulled the whole thing off there. And I was just going to glue it back on for now because I got to really take the inside of the door all apart to get it.
Yeah, work from the inside out.
But it was so close to getting it popped back into that thing, and I thought if I could...
That little yellow thing?
Yeah, it goes there and it snaps shut, but it was just... It wasn't working for me, so I was just kind of taking a look.
Here,
yep.
You stand over here.
All right. Good morning, everyone. Mr. UnBreakIt here and Little Miss Fix. We started the doorknob fix the other day. I mean, we ended up taking the whole door apart, but all we need to do now is we got to do some JB weld on that one little stud in there. So she's already shown us how to mix this up. We're just going to use a leaf
and sticks.
And sticks. And how much do you use of each?
A little bit.
That's very accurate. And we'll put it on that bolt and we're done. And we just JB weld in there. And tape, of course. Make a video here, come on. Alright. We'll let that get hard.
Yep. Then we take that tape off.
Yep. And that's how you unbreak something.